Hello, I am Dr. Evan Gikontes, a holistic medicine doctor, an obstetrician and gynecologist, and a master homeopathist. Today I'm going to talk to you about coronavirus and how to fight it. It's mainly how to prevent it, because how to fight it, it's difficult. But prevention is better than fighting something, than letting it explode and then fighting it. The best way to fight it is to prevent it. So there are many things that are being said lately about how to prevent coronavirus. They say that it's pH, it's 5.5 to 8.5, so drink alkaline and take vitamin D and take vitamin C, which, by the way, intravenous vitamin C is very good in preventive measure. And they also say drink lemon with warm water, because the virus gets established in your throat, and it gets destroyed by warmth, and so the lemon is alkaline, and the warm water will kill the virus and all that. I will tell you something more simple. The first is not the actual hack, the first thing I will tell you, but since the virus is on your throat, try and chew or have in your mouth some lozenges, some caramels, something that contains an antiseptic. Like there are a lot of brands like Fisherman's Friend or Halls or anything with eucalyptus or something like that. This will prevent the virus from growing very much. But there are some people that will say that this will not prevent it. In my opinion, this is an inside mask. You don't wear the mask outside, because if you wear the mask outside, then your throat is not prevented. You still can have the germs and the viruses. Of course, you should wear a mask, but also having some antiseptic lozenge or something like chewing gum or something like that is antiseptic is like an inside mask. So this is first, that having something to lick will with menthol or with an antiseptic will prevent the virus from establishing itself on your throat. But the actual hack is very simple. It's like the apple that fell on Newton's head. Of course, that's a story, but and that's how he found out about gravity. It's very easy. They say that wash your hands, right? Okay, here comes the hack. Here comes the advice from a doctor, but as a man, as common logic. I'm not advising you as a medical doctor. This it's with common logic, and I am very curious. How did someone not find that and mention that on the TV or anywhere? So they tell you, wash your hands, and wash your hands thoroughly. Why? Because the coronavirus has a capsule which is made out of fat, and the capsule that is made out of fat gets dissolved by the soap. So they tell you, use the soap with warm water, because warm water together with soap will dissolve the outer capsule, which is a fatty capsule. It's composed of fat, and will kill the virus. So it's very simple. Where does the virus stick? In your hands. That's why you should wash your hands. But where does the virus stick in your body? not outside your body, but in your body, on your throat. So what you should do, as you wash your hands, you should wash your throat. It's logical. How do we wash our throat? When we wash our teeth, we use a kind of soap. Of course, it's toothpaste, but it's a soapy toothpaste. It's a soap for the mouth. So one idea is, it's radical, to gargle with olive soap, with real soap, which is, it will not be bad for you if you don't swallow it. But even better, you can gargle with toothpaste. So the best advice here, in my opinion, is to prevent the establishment of coronavirus on your throat, is when you wash your teeth with the toothpaste, before you you spit out the toothpaste, take some warm water from the faucet and gargle with the toothpaste, so that a lot of viruses will have their fatty capsules dissolved and will be killed. This is a very good way of, in my opinion, to wash our throat as we wash our hands. So if we do that, it's a very good prevention, even for older people, even for people with underlying ailments. This is not to tell them don't be careful, but it's a preventive measure, on my opinion. Not something that you should necessarily follow. It's not official. It's not something, but I hope that officials will see it and will tell it to the world, because it's something quite simple. Why not wash our throat as we wash our hands? And if washing our hands is enough to prevent the virus from transmitting, then washing our throat will be enough to prevent the virus from establishing itself on the throat. So this is just an effort on my part to contribute something to the general coronavirus pandemic. Hope everything goes well, and hope that this virus will go away very soon. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Dr. Evan Gikontes. Have a nice day.